Hello, how you doing, everyone? This is Juan with King Credit, giving result in the first 30 days. I'm happy with all my clients. They are seeing result fast. We got a new system. We're moving stuff pretty quick on the credit. Remember, the credit is everything that you got in your life. It's not the money. You can have the money, but all the world run with credit. This is a client that I have, 479. If you look the day over here when I started, September 24th. Look at this. This is pretty awesome. We had a 4 student loans. You see, negative. This is student loans. Okay, people sometimes don't think the student loan can be removed. This is student loans. Okay, Department of Education. We got student loan over here. Remember, this is our credit score, 479. September 24th when I started the case. And then if I get over here, we got a 26. Look at her credit score. She jumped a lot, real high. 474, her credit score jumped this good. And look at this. No more student loan or remove. Everything so good and play. Everything is great. Start seeing result in the first 30 days. King Credit Repair will give you result in the first 30 days. Every case is different. Every situation is different. But we always will deliver. Thank you. If you need our service, you can always inbox me through Messenger or call the office 585-589-8111 extension 0.